Hello, and welcome to Chat Tutorials channel. I am your host, an AI avatar created with the latest AI tools. My voice, image, and script are all powered by OpenAI's cutting-edge technology. And today, we're going to take a deep dive into creating your very own AI avatar video using Chat. With Chat, you can create engaging and interactive videos that will captivate your audience. Whether you're looking to promote your brand or just want to showcase your creativity, Chat is the perfect tool for the job. You might be wondering how you can get started with creating your own AI avatar video. Well, don't worry. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From generating scripts to creating animations, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started. And once you've created your AI avatar video, you can share it on various platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or even your own website. The possibilities are endless. So, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button now and join us on this exciting journey of creating AI avatar videos with Chat. Trust me, it's going to be a lot of fun. See you in the next video. Bye.
Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and in this video I will show you how you can create your own AI animation video using ChatGPT and Steve.ai tool. So if you are new in ChatGPT, first you can create your ChatGPT account. Watch my last video and create now. Go to OpenAI and create your ChatGPT account. So first I can go to my ChatGPT account and create a script for my video. So I can go now my ChatGPT account, and you can see I write a prompt and create a script for my video. So you can see ChatGPT provide me full script for my video. So I can copy now this, and I can go to my text editor and paste now and remove extra words. So I can remove now. You can see I remove all extra. Okay, you see my script ready. So first and next I can go to Steve.ai. So you can see link available in the description, so you can go now, and first you can sign up. So if you don't have an account, so you can first sign up and otherwise login. So I can sign up now, and you can connect with your Google and Facebook account, and other option you can enter manually and create your account. I already login, so I can go to my dashboard, and you can see first you can go to create section. So after you go to create section, you can see two different type option. First live script to live video, and next animation video. So I can choose animation video and go to script to animation video. So I can go to right now and choose type of video. So I choose animation video size. So I can choose, and category. So I choose, for example, you can choose your advertisement, announcement, birthday, business, and anyone based upon your video. So I choose announcement, and I choose any, sorry, I explainer video, and painting, online dating, loan. home. I choose home Twitter ad, and I can create. I can already by default script, so I can delete all, clear all, and write a my script. So I can go to my notepad, and first I can write my first line. I can paste now, and it's very long, so I edit now. You can see my scene first and scene 2. Next I can copy now second scene and paste now. Okay, next I can copy and paste now. Then see, I copy all script and write now and edit based upon your needs. I can edit now. But you can see every scene only 200 words, so always choose less than 200. And my last scene I create paste now. Okay, my 9 scene available. Edit now. Next, what is your video? So for example, I create ChatGPT video. So I create now animation video, source, all, add voice. So I can choose English. It's okay, US, okay, female. So I select female and choose your based upon your choice. So I choose and generate voice. Okay, music cancel. Next, choose your templates. So for example, choose anyone. For example, I choose this. So I select now, and you can see your video loading created by AI, Steve.ai. Wow. Okay, your video is loading, so I can see now.
Hello, and welcome to Chat Tutorials channel. I am your host, and I have a
Okay, you can see, you can edit everything. And another option you can go to right now in scene 1, scene 2, scene 3. I edit scene 3. Okay, scene 4 I edit right now. You can edit words, photos, everything else. It's wow. And another option, you can duplicate scene. Every scene you can duplicate. You need, you can duplicate now. And if you delete, so delete now. Layout option change, so you can change now. Timer, select your timer, and you can choose your colors and what you can hide. Audio, so you can edit everything.
and once you've created your avatar video, you can share it on.
Okay,
Hello, and welcome to Chat Tutorial.
okay, your video is ready, so you can edit your based upon your choice. Next I can publish now, and you can see your video is ready to publish. So first choose your name, your video name. So I input by default. Your quality, I can choose SD 720 pixels. So if you are a premium member, you can choose full HD 2K and 4K based upon your subscription plan. So I use default plan in mp4. Okay, and download now, and you can see your video is ready. Wait some time for all setup complete. So if you are new in my channel, first you subscribe now, and if you have any help, so you can comment now, and you can see your video is ready in process. So you can wait some time. You can see you will be notified on the process is finished, and you can download the file from you can we go to manage export section, manager, my export section, and you can see your video, my new video in process. After completing your process, you can download now. Click this link, for example my last video created, so I can go to this tab and download now. And thanks for watching this video, and if you need any help, so you can comment now and subscribe my channel.